Hey, in this video, I will show you how to buy the Fox Finance token. It's on 28,635 watch lists. It's trading right now. There's a high price that's look at us, look at it, what it did today. The market cap and the trading volume is just starting to look suspiciously good. 20, look at this, millions of dollars of volume with it, and there's a reason for that. But by the way, this video is no financial advice, and in this video I'll show you how to actually buy the Fox Finance token. Before we start, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe if you're new, because I'm doing these videos for free. And the way YouTube works is I'm doing this video for free, but I get paid by YouTube, and the more likes you give on the videos, the more this video will be pushed within the algorithm and I'll make more money. So that's good. Subscribe. Let's start. So I'll show you how to buy it on any iPhone and on any Android device. That's an extra step for iPhones, but don't worry about it. I'll explain how it works in a second. So you need to do two things. First, you need to sign up for Binance, and you can do that with the link in the description down below. This is the first thing you want to do. The second thing you do after you've signed up for Binance is go on the App Store on an iPhone, Google Play Store on an Android device, click on search and find the Binance app. Install it, and after that, while you're at it, also install Trust Wallet. You want to install both of these. Then what you want to do is go on Binance, and you should have the Binance Lite version by default, and verify your account. After you do that, you can buy Ethereum or Binance coin. Ethereum is going down, so maybe that's a better value. Whatever you choose, this is no investment or financial advice. Click on buy here, and for example, you can buy 1 Ethereum around 2,000 euros, 2.3k USD, buy it via card, and that's the first thing you can do. And then you want to transfer it into your Trust Wallet. So you want to install Trust Wallet, transfer it. You probably know how that goes. But on an iPhone, you won't have the browser option right here. So here is what you want to do. On an iPhone, you can skip this step. You want to go and type in Google Trust on Safari, trust dot / browser lower dash enable, hit go, open it up, and this will basically enable the browser feature. And here you can access Sushi, the Sushi exchange, and let's say we want to exchange our 1 Ethereum that we just bought. Select the token Fox, and here it is. If this video helped you out, you just click on import. I understand, import, and if there's liquidity, they'll give you an address. So you gotta keep refreshing. Maybe check one of these other exchanges as well. There's a lot of options in even NFTs that you can check out. If the video helped you out, again, you can give me a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot, and I want to see you